Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a super cute pink bow heart keychain, a small accessory that looks adorable on your bag, your keys, or even as a sweet handmade gift. This tutorial is beginner friendly, and if you follow step by step, I promise you'll finish a perfect heart. We'll be using 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm hook, so prepare your tools and stay with me until the end. Your support gives me motivation to create more free crochet tutorials. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. Heart piece. Make a magic ring, chain 4. Now work 3 treble crochet, E, then 3 double crochet, chain 1, 1 treble crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, 3 treble crochet, chain 3, and slip stitch into the ring to close the round. Pull the ring tight to shape the heart. You're doing great. Keep your tension even. Tip: if your heart looks pointy, gently pinch the bottom with your fingers. Now we'll join the two hearts together. Make sure the wrong sides are touching each other. Insert your hook through both layers. Work ka, cha, 3, slist, all around the heart. This creates a cute decorative edge and seals the two pieces together. Take your time, go stitch by stitch, and enjoy the process. Motivation: you're almost done. Keep going, it's looking beautiful. Cut the yarn and weave in the end neatly. Your pink bow heart keychain base is complete. Add your bow, attach your keyring, and you have the sweetest handmade accessory. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Your support helps me continue sharing cute crochet ideas. See you in the next video.